Okay, so in this video you will see different kinds of fruit. In the lab that I'm teaching, you are to identify each kind, classify each kind of fruit. And you may know some of them already, and that's fine. But remember, just because you think you know what something is because we talk about certain things in a certain manner, that does not mean that's the botanical classification, so do be aware of that. So here's fruit number 1. I think you know what this one is. Fruit number 2. Take a look at the outsides of them as we go along. Fruit number 3. Fruit number 4. Fruit number 5. Fruit number 6. Fruit number 7. Fruit number 8. Fruit number 9. Fruit number 10. Fruit number 11. And then fruit number 12 I'm putting right next to that. Now I'm going to cut them all open, and we're going to see what's inside so that you can classify them properly. Okay, so now we have the fruit cut open. We're going to take a look at each of them. Again, fruit 1, and then the next fruit. This fruit, this is a pit. It still covers some fleshy material. I couldn't get it off too well, but it's fleshy on both sides, and then there's a pit. Oranges do have seeds in them, if you are aware of that. There should be a bunch of seeds right here, for example. Just to dig in here, you can find some seeds. I felt one, but it's not coming out. It's all right. There's seeds in the orange, or white seeds. Same thing here. You can see the seed there. There's a bunch of them. Seeds here are right there. You can see them in the fleshy material. No seeds in the middle of that. They would be around the outside. Here, you can see this is the open. If we open this up, all this material is pretty hard. Here there is some pretty dry and hard material there, but it is somewhat fleshy. Here, this is all pretty much the same consistency throughout. If you were to open it up even more, it looks all the same. It's pretty hard and dry. This has seeds scattered throughout. You can see one seed there, and it's fleshy around the outside. And this one, I haven't opened it yet. But if you do, see it's very dry inside, and from time to time you'll find a seed. There's seeds throughout this whole thing too. If you look amongst this grass, you'll find our cactus, the prickly pear, and on the end of the prickly pear, we have its fruit. So, here you go, it is edible. Oftentimes, even in the grocery store, they tell you, you can buy them, that they do contain spines. Again, there's our cactus. I'm trying to open it up for you so you can see what's inside and make your own determinations of what kind of fruit this might be. Well, here it is opened. I'm not the best with videography if you haven't figured that out already. So I'll describe that there are multiple seeds inside there, and you can see even on the remaining one where it is, and think about what it used to be in terms of what part it was before. So this is sumac, and if you take a look, that's the fruit in the middle where the flowers used to be. You're not here at the time to see the flowers. They have, each of these individually has a fleshy outside and a hard pretty hard inside. You can crush them up and actually use it as a spice as well. And this is beach plum, fleshy outer covering, and one large stone in the middle. And these bushes, not the vines growing in them, including the poison ivy, which I'm not touching, are the beach plum shrubs or bushes or whatever you want to call them, the plants. Take a look at these fruit, and if you were to open one up, you would note that there are multiple hard seeds inside. Fairly large. I think there are 3 in this one. To be fair, they look like grapes, but I don't think that they are, and I'm not entirely sure what they are because the leaves appear to be wrong for the grapes that I know anyway. I will look them up and put that on the bottom of this video if I can.